What is that?
Red.
Which color?
Green color.
Very good. What is that fruit?
This is my favorite fruit, strawberry.
Hmm.
Red color.
Very good.
My favorite grapes, green color.
Okay. This is my favorite fruit. Banana. It is yellow color. Okay. Wait. Say.
This is my favorite fruit, strawberry. It's medical.
Very good. Now stay.
This is my favorite color.
Fruit.
Fruit. Mango.
It is in.
This is in yellow color.
Very good.
Favorite fruit.
This is my favorite vegetable.
Vegetable. Strawberry.
Tomato. Which color?
Red.
Very good.
I am favorite.
This is my
This is my
favorite
favorite
fruit.
fruit.
Which is that fruit? What is the name?
Apple.
Apple. Which color?
Red color.
Very good. Say. This is my fruit. What is that fruit name? Orange. Which color? Orange color.
Orange color.
This is my
This is my
favorite fruit.
favorite fruit.
Papaya.
Papaya.
It is yellow in color. Say.
I favorite.
This is my
This is my favorite
Vegetable.
vegetable. This is in the
It is. What is that favorite vegetable name?
carrot.
Okay. Which color it is?
In the orange color.
Very good.
This is my favorite
Fruit? Apple. It is in?
red color.
Very good. This is my favorite fruit. What is this fruit? Which fruit? Banana. Very good. Which color? Which color? Very good. What is the fruit name? Pineapple. Which color it is? See which color? See which color? Very good.
This is my favorite fruit. Cherry.
Cherry. Okay. It is in which color?
Red.
Red color. Very good.
This is my favorite fruit.
What is that? Custard apple. Very good. What? Very good. Which color? Blue color. See properly. Yellow color. Go. Say loudly.
Carrot.
It is which color?
Red color.
Orange. Orange. Okay. Go.
My favorite watermelon.
My favorite fruit is.
My favorite fruit is watermelon.
It is in which color?
Red, green color.
Red color, green color, black color. Very good. Be loudly. Say loudly. Be louder. Favorite fruit, strawberry. Which color? Red color. Say.
My favorite
Fruit.
fruit.
What is that?
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
No.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Green color, red color.
Green color, red color. Seeds.
Orange color.
Seeds, black color.
This black color.
Say.
This is my favorite
Fruit.
fruit.
What is that fruit? Name. What is the name?
Strawberry.
Ah.
Red color.
Very good. Say.
This is my favorite fruit. Apple.
Which color?
Red color.
Very good.
This
My favorite fruit. Show. What is that? Orange. Which color? See which color? Which color? Orange color. This is my favorite fruit. What is the fruit? Name? Which color? See there. Which color? Red.